Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to convert XRP to USDT on Bitget. All right, so the first option, or the easiest option, just go ahead over to trade right here, and then just click on convert and block trade. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and select from. Of course, click on drop down and find XRP. There you go. Click on XRP, and we are going to convert it to what? Of course, USDT. So click on USDT and just enter the amount of XRP right here at the very top. For example, 10 XRP. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, you will see, or you will receive this amount of USDT by converting this amount of XRP. Now, if you're happy with that, go ahead and click on convert, follow simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. Now, the other option, so go ahead over to trade right here under spot. Go ahead and find XRP to USDT. Click on it, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go ahead and go to the top. We have spot right here, sell, and go to market. Why market? So this is the best available price, or you will be able to sell your XRP to the best available price. So XRP, how much? Maybe 10, and just click on sell. And after that, your USDT asset right here will update. So if you want to, you could transfer it to your futures account or wherever. And that's how easy it is to convert XRP to USDT on Bitget. Well, I hope this really helps, and I'll see you in the next one.